Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, I'm going to discuss with you how can we use Averageif formula. So let's jump into the video without wasting any further time. Here I created a sample data which contain a market, fruit type, quantity, price and the revenue column. If I want to average the value based on some criteria, so how can I do this with the help of Averageif formula? Let's start writing the formula. It starts with is equal to AVER. You can see on third number there is Averageif formula. Press tab. The first thing is range. I need to define the range in which the formula will look. For example, my range is this market column. So I will select this column and then press comma. Second thing is criteria. What is the criteria the formula will look in this range? My criteria is this Glasgow. So I will click on this cell. It will call its reference cell. So press F4. The last thing is average range. What are the values which I want to average based on this criteria? For example, if I want to average the revenue column values, so I will select this column and then close off bracket, press enter. Now you can see the formula will look for the criteria. My criteria is Glasgow. If I want to average the revenue of all the markets which are in Glasgow, so formula will look the market and then it will go for the revenue. Again it will go for the Glasgow market and then go for the revenue and go for the Glasgow market and go for the revenue and average all the values which are in Glasgow market. You can see there are 3 times the Glasgow revenue is appearing and its average is, you can see, 4218. So the formula will look for the criteria and average the value based on the criteria given. The formula I wrote down here, start with Averageif, start of bracket, range, criteria and the average range, close of bracket. Hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel if you want to watch more useful formulas. So I'll see you guys in next video.